Your new Bemis Independence hinged toilet seat with support arms has the patented Snap-to-Secure installation system and is quick and easy to install. Let's go through it step by step. First, before you purchase your seat, you'll need to confirm two important points. Do you have enough open area around your toilet for the support arms? And is your toilet round or elongated? To confirm the open area, use the measuring guide supplied by the HME store. The other option is to measure from the center of the bowl outwards, confirming you have 14 inches of clearance on each side, from the front of the toilet to the wall behind the toilet. Next, confirm the size of your bowl to ensure you've purchased the correct size seat. Now let's move forward with the installation. Your seat will have two bushings on the mounting bolts, two Snap-to-Secure nuts, the installation tool, and the instruction sheet. After removing your current toilet seat, place your new seat on the toilet bowl. From underneath the bowl, lightly finger tighten both Snap-to-Secure nuts. Confirm that the seat is properly aligned on the bowl. While holding the seat in place with one hand, use the installation tool to tighten the nuts until both installation heads snap off. Your new hinged seat with support arms is safely installed and will not loosen or wiggle with use. If you need to remove your new seat, use the installation tool or any 5/8 inch wrench to loosen the Snap-to-Secure nuts by turning them clockwise.